What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing, it's a quick one, so I'm just changing my headlight washer covers. Now what the situation is when I done my full M Sport conversion for the actual bumper itself, I never changed them, so I've been riding around with the SE ones. What it is, I just never got around to it basically, but finally ordered these. As usual, the link will be in the description, so if you do want to replace your ones as well, you can do so. But yeah, this is it here. Let me have a quick gander at that. What I've already done is I've already done the driver's side, because I just wanted to make sure I ordered the correct ones and that it fit. So this is for the passenger one, but I'll show you guys exactly how to obviously take that off, but that's just it there. As I said, the link will be in the description as well, where you can purchase yours. So yeah, what I'm going to do is quickly go outside. I'll show you a comparison of how the SE ones look with the M Sport bumper on, and then I'll show you the driver's side as well with that new one in. So yeah, let's go. Yes guys, so this is obviously the driver's side one, so that's the brand new one. So as you can see, there's no gaps or anything, it's just perfectly flush. Paint matches perfectly fine as well. You know, I know a lot of people say, oh, it's from AliExpress, blah 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 blah, but yeah, just look at that. Absolutely perfect fitment. And then if I go around here now, you'll be able to see the SE one. So if you have a look at that fitment there, you can literally pop this out. My finger can fit in there, and the fitment there as well, it's not good. Just go around for reference. Right, I can't do anything, I can't get my finger in there at all. But yeah, what I'm going to do is place you guys on a tripod and show you exactly how to do this. So what I'll quickly do is I'll just show you this now. So this piece, so these little tabs here, they latch. Can't even get it into focus. These little tabs here, they latch on, so there's a little groove. So it's like that on both sides. You can see there and there. So obviously you just want to hook them on. It'll just pop straight on. I'm just going to show you now. So yeah, what I've done is I quickly pulled it out. Now those grooves that I was on about, that they actually latch onto, you can see them there. So if you have a look where my finger is there, you'll see that. And then I don't know if I can get into that. Nah, it's not going to focus, but there's two more in there as well. You obviously see it when you pull it out. So what I'm just going to do is put it on a tripod and just replace it now. Yes guys, so as you can see, perfectly flush now. Can't get my finger in there at all. Perfect, absolutely brilliant. It's flush with that one as well. See that there? Brilliant. It's absolutely mega. But yeah guys, I know it's a quick one, but if you did enjoy it, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.